Hello people of English 4, welcome back. I hope you really enjoyed your recess week. I did. I had my time to rest. I kind of disconnected for a bit. And now I hope that you are full of beans and ready to finish this semester. We have only 5 weeks left until we finish the workshop. Yes, 5 weeks only. Time flies. This video is for week number 14 of the workshop, and I will talk about 2 important things in this video. First, we will talk about the to-do list for this week, and second, I'll explain to you the content for this week, that is comparatives and superlatives. So let's begin. The to-do list is divided into sections as usual. In the first part, we will focus on grammar, specifically on comparatives and superlatives. Here are some exercises for you to practice. Then, in the software section, there are some activities to practice comparatives and superlatives again, and some exercises to express your preferences. So it's pretty simple what you have to do this week. With that being said, we can now move on to the second part of the video, that is the explanation of comparatives and superlatives. Today we are talking about the differences between things. And to talk about the differences, we need to understand comparatives and superlatives. Let's start with comparatives. We use comparatives when we compare two things. For example, this knife is sharper than this knife. Both knives are sharp, but one is sharper. The word sharp is a short adjective, and when we compare short adjectives, we simply follow this formula. Adjectives with er plus than. Look at this example. I'm tall, but this man is taller than me. This pen is small, but this pen is smaller than this pen. If a short adjective ends in the letter Y, we have to change the spelling a little bit when we make a comparative. My hat is fancy, but her hat is fancier than my hat. Comparatives are a little bit different for longer adjectives. For example, this apron is colorful. This apron is more colorful than that apron. The adjective colorful is a long adjective, and when we compare with long adjectives, we simply follow this formula. More plus the adjective plus than. Here's another example. Juggling with 2 apples is difficult, but juggling with 4 apples is more difficult than juggling with just 2 apples. Excellent! Now let's take a look at superlatives. Superlatives are formed the same way as comparatives, but we use est instead of er, and most instead of more. Take a look at these examples. This cheese is stinky. This cheese is stinkier. This cheese is the stinkiest. Ugh. Or, my drawing of a cat is bad. My drawing of an octopus is worse. And my drawing of an elephant is the worst. Another example, doing exercise is good. Doing exercise once a week is better. Doing exercise 3 times a week is the best. Did you get it? It's not that hard. So if you have any questions, suggestions, or recommendations, remember that you can always write to my email and I will answer to you as soon as I can. Regarding your evaluations, I haven't had the time to check each one of your videos, but some of you have already received my feedback. So check your email or the comments of the assignment and you will find a video with my feedback. That's all for today. Please take care, be safe, wash your hands, wear a face mask, and see you next week. Bye!